Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Sololearn application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device, and once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Sololearn and start your search. Once you find the Sololearn application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Sololearn application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. After opening up the application, you will be able to sign up and create a new account or log into your existing one to start using this app in order to use AI and start coding right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Sololearn application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.